Now today we will see laboratory program 4, that is we are supposed to develop a program to find the reverse of a positive integer and check for palindrome or not and display the appropriate messages. So here now a number is palindrome if you read a number from left to right and from right to left the number remains the same. Such numbers are called as palindrome. So now here we accept a number, then we store the number in reverse in another variable, then compare original with the reverse number. If both are same, then we call it as a palindrome. Now how to perform this? So we need to extract each digit from the given number and store it in reverse order in another variable. So now to extract that, I've taken one example over here, 101. So every time I'll fetch each digit in each step and then store it in reverse order. So I'll start fetching the digits from units place, then hundreds place, then thousand place, like this it goes on. So how to extract this? So for that, first I'll perform division by 10. Now if I divide it by 10, the remainder what I get will always be the number, will always be the digit in the units place. Then remaining number or remaining part of the digit I can extract by, which will be the quotient. So that's the logic what I have applied over here. Step 1, 101 mod 10. So once I do 101 mod 10, that is the remainder is 1. That is actually the number, that is actually the digit in the units place. Now I have fetched the last digit. Now remaining part of the digit or remaining digits of the entered number I want. So again 101 divided by 10. Now the quotient. Quotient is the remaining part. So now once I now extracted the remaining part, now that is 10. Now again I'll perform modular division. Now this time when I perform modular division, the remainder is 0. That is the number in the units place now here, because only two numbers are remaining as such. So 0 I have extracted. Now that again I'll store it in the reverse number. Next again I'll perform division. So now what I'm getting, 1. That is the remaining part of the number. So this continues until the number becomes 0 and we extract all the digits from the given number and store it in reverse order. Okay, now we'll see the program here. So again, hash include void main, all these things we have know already. Now here I have taken one variable num to accept the number entered, specified or entered by the user. Then I have made use of another variable here m to temporarily to store the original number, because I am going to extract each digit from the given number. So the value stored in the variable num gets, or value stored in the num will be changing. So that is why I have made use of another variable m to store the original number. Then I have to store the, I have to extract the digits and store it in the reverse order. So for that purpose I have declared another variable here reverse and I have initialized it to 0. Then I have to extract, each time I have to extract one digit from the given number. So I need another variable to store the digit. So these are the variables we have declared here. All are of integer type because we are accepting the integer number and then reversing it. So again printf enter an integer number, so indicating the user to enter the number. Next the user enters the number. Now scanf percentage d comma ampersand num. So whatever number user enters, that will be stored in the variable num, which is of integer type. So percentage d I have given there. Next, before converting or before extracting the digit and storing it in reverse order, I have to store the original number that is stored in num into m. So m equal to num. Now I am storing the copy of the original number in the variable m. Now while num is not equal to 0, that is every time I am going to extract one digit from the original number. So this continues until the number becomes 0. So while num is not equal to 0. So if number is not equal to 0, then only I can extract the number. That means the number is not exhausted as such. So digit equal to num mod 10, that is to extract the single digit from the given number. Then storing it in reverse order. Reverse into 10 plus digit. So by doing this, I am going to add each time the number, each time I am going to add single digit and store it in reverse order. Then I have to extract the remaining part of the number. So num equal to num divided by 10. So now one sample example I have taken over here. It is input is 111. So first iteration starts now. So num equal to 111, the value I have entered. So m equal to num. So now the value stored in m will be 111. The value in num is also 111. Now while num is not equal to 0, since 111 is not equal to 0, the control will enter the while loop. Now digit equal to num mod 10. So that is 111 mod 10 will give me the result as 1. So 1 will be stored in digit. Now reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus digit. So reverse the original value what I have initialized it is 0. So 0 into 10 is 0 plus digit. Digit is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So now first number what I have stored in reverse is 1. That is actually the last number, last digit of the given number. Now I have to extract the remaining number. So num equal to num divided by 10. Num is having the value as 111. 111 divided by 10. The quotient is 11. So 11 is the remaining part. Now that will be stored in num. Now again control will come back to the while part. Num is not equal to 0. So now the new value of num is 11. 11 is not equal to 0 is true. So control will come inside the while loop. Now again digit equal to num mod 10. So num mod 10 when you are performing again here 11 mod 10. So remainder will be 1. So now I have to add it to the reverse number. So reverse into 10 plus digit. Reverse is already having the value 1. So 1 into 10. 1 into 10 is 10 plus digit is now 1. So 10 plus 1 11. So now remaining number digits I have to extract. So num equal to num divided by 10. So now the value of num is 11. 11 divided by 10 will yield me 1 as the quotient. So that will be stored in num. Again control will go to the while part. So this will continue for another step, one more iteration. Then the value of num becomes 0. So the control will come out of the loop. Then printf the reversed number is %d. So I am printing here both the numbers, that is the given number and the reversed number. Given number I have already stored it in m. So reverse number I have stored it in variable rev, that is a reverse. Okay, so reverse of given number %d is %d slash n. Both are integer type, so I given %d and %d there m comma reverse. Now next I have to print whether it is palindrome or not. If reverse is equal to m, then printf %d is palindrome. That is I am checking now whether the reverse number is same as the original number. Now in our example here 111 I have reversed and stored it, but both the numbers are same. So if reverse is equal to m, reverse is also having 111, m is also having 111. So 111 is equal to 111. So both are equal. So percentage d, that is percentage d is palindrome, that is 111 is palindrome. That will be printed. If that is not the case, then given number is not a palindrome. This message will be printed. So sample output is here. Just one sample output we have taken there. So both the cases we have shown over here. Execute the program and check.